Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable Edge Panel. Now, once you enable Edge Panel, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Just swipe from the side of the screen and open the Edge Panel. Now just tap on Settings. From here, just swipe to the left side and select Tools. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen. Now just open the Edge Panel one more time. Now from here, just swipe to the right side. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the built-in compass on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can use the built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.